calm down, just do, you've always got to be listening to us. So it's just through repetitive stuff, and we don't start it like what you saw here. That's the finished product.
You okay? All right, Axel. Out. Down. I think I got it. And you can see it's pretty hard to maneuver in that bite suit, so it offers lots of padding. So, nope. Down. 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 Any more questions? Hey! Any more questions? Anyone want to see anything else? I know Tim, I think, wants to try one more bite. That's so it. Do you want to do what? I'm going to put him away. I'm going to put Axel away. He wants to try one of those arm bites. That's good. We gotta have one brave guy from the media.
I wandered up in London and I raised puppies for the RCMP.